In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money online using Quick AI. The best thing is we're going to be using an AI app that literally just came out today. So you guys who are subscribed to me, you're seeing this for the first time, and anybody else who comes across this video, apart from the guy that created it. And I'm going to show you exactly how to make money with this in a few simple steps. And the best thing about this is you won't need your own website to do this, because I do know that a lot of people don't like creating websites. It can be pretty complicated when they're trying to make money online, and you can do this worldwide. Now, quickly before we get into this video, Happy New Year. It's 2024 now, so I'm going to show you how to make money in 2024. I'm in a hotel right now. The lighting's terrible, so let's turn my face off and jump into this tutorial, and I'll show you how to make money. Let's go. All right, guys, so a few days ago, I got an email from my affiliate marketing manager from Printify. Now, I promote this product. However, this isn't about affiliate marketing, and I usually don't actually check affiliate newsletters. They're just usual stuff that I don't really read. However, I read this one and I found something interesting. Printify have now got their own AI generator. And so what I did is I clicked on Learn More to find out what this was about. And Printify, we'll talk about what this is in a second, how you can make money, but they now have an AI generator where you can generate images inside their platform. And this is going to be very important throughout this video. And so what I did is I actually went and tried it, and it's pretty insane. And to be honest, it's very scary because it's just nuts how fast AI is going and what we can do with it now. So first of all, I'm signed into Printify right here, and we can do all sorts of stuff. Like we can design candles, journals, magnet stickers, hoodies, sweatshirts, and t-shirts. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go with journal for this example. We usually do stickers, but we're going to go with journal, and we're just going to go with a basic hardcover journal. Now, what I can do is I can go down to start designing. Now, if you don't know what this is called Printify, and we can create t-shirts and stuff like that, and we don't send them out. Like, we don't hold stock. This company does it for us. So we can see that this is a nice kind of picture here. Now, I don't really know much about journals because I don't have one or anything, but I'm going to go ahead and click Start Design, and I'm going to go AI Image Generator. And what I'm going to do is we can first pick a style. Now, I'm going to kind of go with maybe I'm not really too sure. We might go with a bit of a fantasy art, and I'm going to potentially do like an ocean, for example, like a nice ocean with some backgrounds. I'll write something in and we'll see what we can come back with. All right, so what I've done is I've gone with a lake instead of an ocean. I've gone a beautiful picture with a lake and mountains in the background. I'm not really sure how it's going to work out. We're going to click Enhance Prompt so we can enhance this prompt, and we're going to go ahead and create this, generate this image. And this is insane because we don't really have to use any other AI generation tools. We can use the tools in one place with this platform, and it's actually come out better than I thought, to be honest. I really like this one. Now, you got to remember, this is the first version of this, so it's not going to be amazing, but it's pretty good. We're going to now click on this, and we're going to see what it can do. And it did a little, I don't kind of like how it did a little thing that we kind of have to upscale a little bit, which is a little bit annoying, to be honest, but that's okay. We can get this going here. This is probably better for stickers, so we'll do a sticker as well, but let's just do this. And there we have, we've gone ahead and created this, and I'm going to say product. Now, it does say low resolution because we had to upscale it, so that's not the best, but let's go ahead and see what it came out like. And that actually looks amazing. Awesome. So that's it right there. That's the back cover, I think. And I think this is the, oh no, that's the front, that's the back. Let's have a look at it here on the, yeah, actually, let's have a look at this one because we can actually see what the black background. That's dope. That's actually super dope. I probably would have liked to have centered it a little bit more, so the sun was kind of on the front page. Maybe that would have been nice. But there you go. I went ahead and created a nice looking journal. Easy. Okay, now I want to go ahead and do a sticker. We're going to go back to dashboard here, and we're just going to go with, actually, maybe we'll do ornaments. Now, I know Christmas is over, but let's just do a Christmas example. Just for like, hey, let's say next year, right? Or maybe Easter or something like that. But let's just go ahead and do this because it's going to be quite easy to do, because all we have to do is say, hey, we want to do this in like a, we could do anime, but we'll do like a, origami looks nice. We'll do digital art, and I'll write something up. Okay, so Santa putting presents under Christmas tree in our house. Very basic. We can enhance the prompt, so that's fine. And there's actually some examples down here which look quite good. And we can actually do another prompt. Yeah, we'll do that one. But we can do another prompt, so it'll just keep giving us prompts until we find one that's suitable for us. All right, guys, I had to do that again because apparently it contained a word that I couldn't use. Anyway, this looks quite good. I think I'm going to go off this one here. And this is our ornament. It changed to a bell for some reason. I don't remember doing that, but that's okay. So we have the front side and the back side. I'll go ahead and add another design. We'll go ahead and just add this one, for example. So we have two here. You would probably, actually, no, that's silly. Why are we doing that? We'll just double it up. That doesn't make sense. So let's go AI generated, and let's put this one on here as well. And there we go. Front and back. Cool. And then we go save product. And now we have this Christmas ornament, for example, right here that we could sell next Christmas, or we could do an Easter one for Easter, or whatever public holidays coming up, or whatever, like it's just some sort of ornament, or like Valentine's Day, for example. I have no idea. I'm just spitballing. But I've now shown you the AI in process. But how can you actually go ahead and make money with this? I'm going to show you a couple of ways, because now we can generate content so easily. So let's break it down on how you can make money with this. All right, guys, I'm going to show you a couple of ways to make money with this. If you actually scroll down, you'll see it here. It says the listing details, and you might be wondering what that means. Now, what this means is we can actually go ahead and let's just get rid of these tips here. We can set a profit margin right here, and we can actually sell this particular product. So I could put 60% in, or if I like, so I could get a 60% margin. We're going to make around about $11 US profit if we sell this particular product. But where do we actually sell this? Now, what we can do is we can actually publish this. It's got all of the details right here on a website called Etsy. Printify connects to Etsy in the back end, and we don't have to do anything. We can literally list it on Etsy, and people make lots of money on Etsy. So let's go ahead and put in something like stickers or journals or just anything really. And you can see that there's these stickers that we could potentially go ahead and sell. So there's a single sticker here. There's these animal stickers, which are really, really cool. And we can go ahead and sell stickers. Now we can sell a bundle, or we could sell singular, and you're probably going to be selling singular in this case, but we can go ahead and sell stickers. Now, what you could also do is you could go to something like your own. This is called Trade Me. So this is in my country, and this is like a sell and trade website, kind of like Craigslist or eBay. And I looked for journals, and I could sell journals on this website as well. Now I can't connect Printify to it, so I would actually have to do that manually, but that is another option as well. So the first option is to sell it on a website like Etsy or other websites, eBay, local websites as well. All right, now another way that you can make money with this is actually setting this up for other people. So we're going to use this brand new tool that just came out with ChatGPT. So this is a plugin for ChatGPT. It's called Gig Creator by a guy called Wes Frank. That's not me, by the way. It's another guy called Frank on YouTube, and I just saw his video regarding this particular tool. Now, what we can do is we can go to Fiverr, for example, and we can go ahead and create a listing where we will go ahead and create Etsy stores with products and everything for everybody else. So if we actually look at this one here, I will create, design, and set up your Etsy shop with SEO listings. Now, they have 400 reviews. So they have actually sold quite a few of these. And if we go to the premium package, they're selling it for around about $184, basic one about $50, etc. What we can do is we can go, so if you don't know what Fiverr is, essentially somewhere where you can do these gigs and set them up. But we don't have to set them up now with ChatGPT because of ChatGPT. Now, if we go back to this here, all we have to do is put in a title of our Fiverr gig, and I've just gone ahead and copied one from Fiverr just because it's easier for this tutorial. And it says, I will set up an Etsy shop and design Etsy products, and I'll just say, and design Etsy digital products, okay? I'll just leave it like that, and we're gonna go ahead and tell ChatGPT to do this for us. And this is what it does. It creates us a full Fiverr gig. Literally within minutes. It's doing it in real time right now in front of your eyes. And what it's doing is it creates us a kind of like our packages. We've got our basic, standard, and premium. which is, if we go over to here, we've got basic, standard, premium. It creates the description for us, it creates the FAQ section for us, and then it creates what details are needed to complete the order. Now, obviously this isn't going to be bang on perfect for you. You are going to have to go and take some of this and edit it, etc. But all we have to do is go into Fiverr, join, and then start a gig, and we simply copy and paste over this information, and we can go ahead and we can sell Etsy shops, setting them up. All you have to do is go to Etsy and create an account, go to Printify, create an account, use that AI bot that I just showed you to create the digital products that go inside it, and then you can optimize it for SEO. And you can even use ChatGPT to do stuff like that. All right, guys, that's how you can make money online with AI right now. Make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, smash that like button, because in my next video, we'll dive deeper into AI and how you can make money online with it. This bot is really cool, by the way, and you can go and check out the creator's channel, which is called WesGPT, where he actually created this. He literally just dropped this today, and I thought I'm going to check it out. I need to do a video on this because this is absolutely insane. I'll see you guys in the next video.